Want a pro-level music setup without the headache? In this video, I'm going to show you how to add the best music bot for Discord, featuring a fully interactive UI that makes your server feel modern and user-friendly. Navigate to the left sidebar in Discord and select your server. Click on your server name at the top to open the drop-down menu, then select App Directory. In the top right corner, locate the search bar and type in Rythm. Click on the Rythm app from the search results. Select the Add App button. Discord will now display the access information and permissions. Under Add to Server, choose the specific server where you want the bot installed and click Continue. On the next screen, you'll see the request for administrator privileges. Simply click Authorize to proceed. The bot should now be added to your server. Let's head back to the main Discord interface to verify. Look at the member list on the right side of your screen. You should see Rythm appearing there as a new member. Join a voice channel so we can see how to play music. Once you're in, go to the message bar and type /play. A search box will appear. Type in the song you want to hear. I'm going to type Top Gun Maverick. The bot will search for the query, find the track, and begin playing automatically. I'm going to mute the audio on my end to avoid copyright issues, but you can see the progress bar and track info indicating that the music is now live. Let's add another song. When you use the /play command again, the new track is automatically added to the queue to be played next. This is a great way to build your playlist. To manage your music, you can either type /control or click the Open Music Controls button on the interface. By clicking the queue icon, you can see a full list of all your upcoming songs. From this menu, you can also adjust the volume or change the track position directly in the UI without needing to type any additional commands. You can use the UI to handle every aspect of your music. It's a seamless way to manage your audio without memorizing complex commands. Go ahead and try the Rythm bot in your own server. It really is as simple as that. Let me know in the comments if you found this helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time.